Divorces can be long, drawn out. Cases can go on and on for years. And with that, not only comes the expense financially, but possibly the emotional damage done to the rest of the family. This next Ask the Legal Expert has been sponsored by the Haefner Law Office. And joining me is their family law attorney, Mark Haefner. Mark, thanks for being here with us today.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. And I mean, the Haefner Law Office specializes in family law. And we all know that if you find yourself needing a family law attorney, this can result in a lot of loss of time, loss of money, stress. Let's break this down.
Yes, those, I think you covered the three big things. So the time, and the longer it takes, the more it costs, so the money, and the longer it goes on, there's also the stress that goes with it. There's a lot at play, so being able to understand that there's all three of those are kind of intertwined, making sure you pick the right attorney is a really good decision, and it's important to do that right off the bat, because the more changes you make as it goes on, the longer it's going to go on, which is going to cost you more, and it's going to be much, much more stressful.
It gets longer, it gets stickier, it gets more stressful. And you actually really encourage a lot of your clients to settle rather than going to trial. Why is that?
Yes, well, absolutely. Well, first of all, settlement is, you always have a lot more control. When you go to trial, all control is taken out of your hands. It all goes to the judge. And a lot of judges' philosophy is going to be, I'm going to try and do something that's going to make everybody unhappy. Not something that's going to make everybody happy, but something to make everybody unhappy. So they don't really know you, they don't know your case, they don't know your kids. They're going to get a quick little preview of what's going on, and they're going to put forward something that might or might not actually be what's best for you. So in settlement, you have a lot more control over what you want to say and do. On top of that, it does save you a lot of money and a lot of time. You know, when we're preparing for trial, even if we settle the day of trial, we're still having to do trial prep. Rule of thumb is for every hour I'm in court, I'm preparing about 4 hours for that hour. So,
wow.
Yeah, you have to be ready for pretty much everything.
Anything and everything at any time.
Absolutely. And I never, like when we do have our trials, I never go by myself. I always have to bring someone else with me because I'm having to listen to every word that's being said, which means I need someone else sitting by me that's listening to the client, and that person next to me is also going to know the case inside and out. So when the witness says something, they're going to be able to immediately flip to our trial books, knowing full well what I'm going to be asking and where we're going to be coming back to.
It's really beneficial in the long run.
That's why it's great to have a team.
Yeah. The dream team. And speaking of the dream team, that's what you have at the Haefner Law Office.
Absolutely.
What sets you all apart from other firms that are out here in our area?
Well, I think you mentioned it earlier. All we do is family law. So we don't do, kind of law is a lot like specialized doctors. You don't want to go to a foot doctor when you need a heart surgery, or, you know, someone who's a bone doctor when you need somebody to look at your brain. So that's how it is with me. Like if I got into a car accident, I would call a different type of attorney because I don't know what I'm doing, or if I got arrested. The specialties are very, very important, and you want to find someone that just really knows what they're doing in family law, and that's what we do. And all we do is family law, and I'm lucky enough that I also have a team that we come on. So if I got hit by a bus tomorrow, your case is still going to be taken care of. People are still going to be there knowing what's going on. And on top of that, we've got really good paralegals, so I'm able to defer a lot of the cost of things that I would have to do myself. They can do at a much cheaper rate than instead of me having to do everything at the inflated attorney rate hours.
Hey, we will take that.
I try and save where we can.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. And you also authored a book. It's called Exit Strategy, Understanding and Handling Your Missouri Divorce. How can people get their hands on this book?
You can go to our website, flatratedivorces.com. And you can get it there. You can call our office. You could buy it on Amazon, but we will just send you a free copy if you want it.
We will take the free copy. So if you're at home and you're watching and you might need a family law attorney, if you're separated or going through divorce or know somebody who is maybe in that situation, look no further than the Haefner Law Office. Their website is flatratedivorces.com, or you can just pick up the phone and give them a phone call at 314-200-6101. Again, that number is 314-200-6101. Don't go anywhere, St. Louis. We'll be right back in just a couple of minutes.